Hello, welcome. Today's video is a fragrance first impressions video. I'm going to be smelling for the first time a new fragrance from Matiere Premiere. The name of the fragrance is Vanilla Powder Eau de Parfum. This fragrance was launched to the market this year, 2023. It was created by Aurélien Guichard or Aurélien Guichard. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. He is the nose behind this fragrance, and I believe he is also the founder of this brand.
My name is Aurélien Guichard. I'm the perfumer and founder for Matiere Premiere.
As the name suggests, the main ingredient on this fragrance, according to their website, is Vanilla Absolute from Madagascar. They also mention Palo Santo oil from Ecuador. They mentioned that this ingredient brings structure and verticality to the fragrance. It also mentioned that it has coconut powder and white musk. The bottle I ordered is a 100 ml bottle, but I think they also have a 50 ml bottle. And I'm not sure if they have another size available. This is the presentation of the fragrance. As you can see, this is a very simple white box with black letters. It's very simplistic and I like it. What I like the most is the liquid inside. I hope I like this one. And this is the bottle. The bottle is also very simplistic, but I really like it. It's like simple and elegant at the same time. Very aesthetic and appealing to my eyes. I really like it. And the cap is black and is plastic, but is heavy and is big. A closer look to the bottle. Like I said, it's very simplistic, but I really like it because it looks clean, kind of like a very clean ambience. That's the feeling it gives me. Elegant, simplistic, really nice. And the notes of this fragrance are also very simple. The main ingredient is vanilla, Palo Santo oil, and coconut powder and white musk. The white musk and me, we don't get along. I really don't like white musk on my fragrances, but hopefully this fragrance doesn't have the white musk that I don't like. The white musk that I don't like is the one that smells like laundry soap or laundry clean. Nothing to do with laundry. I don't like my fragrances to smell like laundry. It feels juicy. It also feels fruity. It doesn't mention any fruit. Oh wow, this is my type of vanilla. It feels juicy, fresh, like fruit. It doesn't mention any fruit, but to me this is juicy, fruity, sweet, vanillic. But the vanilla is very creamy. I think the coconut powder is giving that creaminess mixed with the vanilla. This is the type of vanilla fragrance that I like. It's kind of white. Wow, this is delicious. This is the type of vanilla that I like. A few months ago, I did a first impression review for Burberry Goddess, and that is a different type of vanilla. That's a vanilla with lavender, But I like the vanilla, but it's not my favorite vanilla. My favorite vanilla is this type of creamy vanilla. The white musk on this fragrance smells clean, but it's not like a laundry clean. It's more like a fresh, clean, like the way you see the bottle, like clean and transparent. That's the way this white musk smells to me. This is not smoky. I was expecting something a little smoky like incense swab, but this type of Palo Santo is not a smoky Palo Santo. It's more like, it's just giving something special that I don't know how to describe. Like I said, it's kind of fruity, juicy, fresh, transparent. I'm gonna spray this fragrance on me right now. Wow. This is the type of vanilla that I enjoy. I really give this fragrance a 10 out of 10 stars for a vanilla perfume. And if I have to choose between Burberry Goddess and vanilla powder, I prefer vanilla powder. I know these two fragrances are different in the way that Burberry Goddess is designer and this is niche. But I think that Matiere Premier Perfumer also makes fragrances for designer houses. But the quality of this vanilla powder to me is higher. And even though I like Burberry Goddess, there is another vanilla scented fragrance. It doesn't have the same quality as vanilla powder by Matiere Premier. Definitely, this is a good fragrance if you are looking for a review about this vanilla powder. I will say I love this fragrance. The first impression is good, and this fragrance for me is outstanding. I give it 10 out of 10 stars, but it doesn't mean you will like it. So if you are thinking on buying this one, I will say buy the smaller size. I think it's 0.6 ounces if I'm not mistaken. Let me check. They have available sizes of 6.0 ml and 1.5 ml sample. You don't have to invest in a big bottle. You can try it first. I want to know how this one will dry down and how long it lasts, because since this is the first impression, I still don't know how long it lasts, how long it will last on my skin, but I already spray a lot. So I'm gonna be ready to tell you how long it lasts on my skin after I uploaded this video. Maybe tomorrow. I am not sure when I will upload this video, as soon as I can. But the next day, I'm going to be ready to tell you longevity and also projection and the dry down. Right now, oh my God, this smells so good. That's it for the first impression of vanilla powder. I will see you on my next video. Bye.